Hi, I'm Ian Grieve and this is a short video on CustomerHQ, one of the GP Elements portals from ISC software. CustomerHQ allows your customers to access a web-based portal where they can see all of their receivables data. The recommended approach is to create one logon per user at the customer who's going to be accessing the portal. This can be done through two different screens in GP. One of them is accessible through administration. Under Setup, Company, CustomerHQ, we have Manage Customers CustomerHQ account. The other access is through the Sales series under Cards, Customer. And if we select a customer on here, in this case I'm going to select Asta Suite. On the additional menu, we have an entry there for Manage Customer Accounts. So in here, it will list all existing users who have access, or what I can do is hit Add on the action pane to add a new user. So in this case, we'll type in email address of Sarah, Azure Curve ISC, and this is just an internal domain, so it's not a real one. That would usually be your live email address. I'll put this in as Sarah Jones as the name. We'll give it a password, and the password must be a mix of letters and numbers, plus at least one special character and at least one capital case letter as well. Confirm the password there, and then you can choose per user whether or not they can also see statements through the web portal, or if they can just see the transaction listing and the account summary. In this case, I'll leave receive statements marked. When I hit OK, it will pull that back, and I can now supply those logon credentials to Sarah. And when she logs into the web portal, she can then reset her password to something that only she knows. So when we OK that's now saved away. And in future, if I come back to the window to manage customer accounts, Sarah's in the list there. I could go through adding additional people to give them access. Or what I can do is hit the padlock icon there to reset the password for Sarah, to enter the new password, new confirmed password there. In this case, I'll close that down. And what I can do if I want to disable this, so Sarah's left being replaced, what I can do is hit the username link there, drill in, and mark the disabled box. When I save that, Sarah's user will then be disabled and can no longer log into CustomerHQ. So we can maintain multiple customers per customer record within Dynamics GP to give them access to CustomerHQ. And when they log in, they can see their information through the portal. Thanks for watching.